Greetings, fellow enchanters. Krishna Sharma here from Credit, and welcome to the 12th magical episode of our JavaScript series. In today's spellbinding adventures, we are continuing our exploration on arrays method. Method 2 unfold with the powerful incantation of concat, sort, slice, and extra special method to add to our array arsenal. Ready to your coding events and let the magic unfold. So our first is concat method. So our first spell concat, this method allows us to merge two or more arrays, creating a brand new unchested array. Let's understand this with example. First is magical items, wand clock, spell book, and second is potion crystal ball. So we are using concat and we just merge this both array. So in the third array, merge item is equal to magical items dot concat, and in the braces we are writing magical items too. And now print this array. You can see this wand clock, spellbook, and potion crystal ball coming in the single array. So second method is sort method. This spell allows us to arrange the item of an array in ascending order. So understand this with the example. We have the magical numbers, this 3 4 3 1 4 5 2 up to 2. So just using sort method, magical number dot sort and braces. So if I print this magical numbers, so this is get sorted. So you can see this 1 2 3 4 5 6 in the ascending order. Let's comment it out. So next is splice. Now let's while the splice spell, this method allows us to add, remove or replace element at any position in our array. So let's understand this. So we have the dragon, unicorn, phoenix in this magical creature array, and now we will just adding a new creature as index 1. So we are adding new creature graphene in the array at index 1. Just now printed this array. We have graphene at the index 1, dragon, graphene, unix. So now we will removing the creature at index 2. So at the index 2 is 0 1 2. So at the index 2 it will unicorn. So just remove this unicorn, and now you can see this dragon, graphene, and phoenix. Unicorn is removed. Here splice add a new creature at index 1 and remove the creature at index 2. So now move to the next method is slice method. The slice method is our next enchantment. This spell creates a new array by extracting a portion of an existing array. Example of slice method, let's understand this. So we have the magical colors blue, green, red, purple and yellow. We will slice this color from 1 and up to 4 elements. So 4 will excluding in this array. So we are just printing this array. So this array will print from first index. So first index will green. So 1 and red 2 and purple 3. So fourth is not including in this, fourth is excluded. So just this array will print green, red and purple. You can say this green, red and purple. So here slice create a new array with elements from index 1 to 3. So in this first we learn the concat method, sort method, splice method. So splice method is very important method because this give very many features to us. This method allows to add, remove and replace elements at any position. So our next method is extra spell, which is let's explore a method of your choice. In this example we are using reverse method to flip our array in reverse order. So now let's understand this with example. We have the magical elements fire, water, earth and air. So we want to reverse this array, so we will just use reverse method, magical element dot reverse and braces. So if you want to reverse this, just use this, and I am printing this now. You can see this array earth, water and fire, and in the original array there is a fire first, then an air in the last. But if I print this, array in the first and fire in the last. I hope you understand this also. Bravo coding heroes, in part 2 of our array method exploration, we have harnessed the magic of concat, sort, slice and reverse. These spells offer incredible flexibility and power in manipulating arrays. Experiment with these enchantments and stay tuned for more magical discoveries in our JavaScript series. If you found part 2 interesting, hit the like button, subscribe for more coding magic, and share your thought in the comment below. What arrays method or JavaScript topic do you want to explore next? Until then, may your arrays be dynamic and your code be interesting. Happy coding.